Welcome back to my channel Street Maths. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.1 of class 7th Prachi math book. The chapter name is fractions and rational number. As we know, rational number are those number whom we can put in a p upon q form and where q is not equal to 0. So we have two things. First is numerator and then denominator. So in 5 upon 13, 5 is numerator and 13 is denominator. Same 18 is numerator and 13 is denominator. So in this exercise, assignment 2.1, we have to just add and subtract those fractions or rational number. So let's start with first question of our first question. Second question is solve the following, and its first is 5 upon 13 plus 18 upon 13. As we know, when denominator is same, when both numbers denominator is same, then we have to just add numerator. So we will write denominator once like 13, and then we will add 5 plus 80. Then our answer will be 18 and 5 23 upon 13. Answer. Next question is 2 upon 111 plus 6 upon 111. Here also our denominator is same, so we will write denominator once and then we will add 2 plus 6. So it will be 8 upon 111. Answer. Next, third question is 9 upon 19 minus 4 upon 19. And fourth question is, we will write it once 14 upon 17 minus 3 upon 17. So 9 upon 19 minus 4 upon 19. Denominator is same, so we will write denominator once. Then we will minus numerator. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 upon 19. So our answer will be 5 upon 19. And final and fourth question is 14 upon 17 minus 3 upon 17. Denominator is same, so we will write it only once. And then we will subtract both numerator. So 14 minus 3, 11. 11 upon 17, our answer. So that's how we will solve rational number or fraction when their denominator is same. In all of these questions, denominator was same. So we will just write denominator once and then we will add or subtract numerator. Moving on to third question, solve the following. The first part is 2 upon 7 plus 5 upon 49. Here neither numerator nor denominator is equal. So now we will change our strategy and we will adopt new strategy to solve this question, which is, first of all, we have to make denominator same. In any case, we have to make denominator same, then only we can solve further. So how we will make denominator same? We will take LCM of denominator 7 and 49. What we will do? We will take LCM of both of these. So we know that 49 is a multiple of 7, so their LCM will be 49. So 49 is our new denominator because 49 is the LCM of 7 and 49. Now what we have to do is we have to divide 49 by 7 because our older LCM was 7 and our older denominator was 7 and new denominator is 49. So we will divide 49, the new denominator, by old denominator. So we will divide 49 by 7, then what we will get? 7. 7 7 is 49. So this 7 we will multiply in 2. Okay, then the sign is of add, so we will put add here. Then we will divide 49 by 49. So we will get 1. Then we will multiply 5 by 1. So what we will get? 2 7s are 14 plus 5 1s are 5 upon 49. So our answer will be 14 plus 5, 19 upon 49. Just understand it again. What we have to do is we have to take LCM of both of denominators. LCM is 49. Then we will divide by our first denominator. So we will get 7. So 7 we will multiply in numerator. So 2 multiply 7. Same thing we will do in another fraction. We will divide 49 by 49. We will get 1 and we will multiply that 1 in 5. Okay. So 2 7s are 14, 5 1s are 5, and then we will add both numerators. 14 plus 5, 19. So like this we will solve our second question also. Second question is 7 upon 16 minus 3 upon 8. What we have to do is we have to make denominator same. How we will do that? We will take LCM of 16 and 8. So LCM of both of these number is 16. Now we will divide this 16 by this 16. Okay. New denominator by old denominator. So 16 by 16 divided by 16 we will get 1 and we will multiply that 1 7. We will multiply 7 by that 1. Now here sign is minus, so we will put minus. Now we will divide this 16 by old denominator. So old denominator is 8 and new is 16. So 16 divided by 8 we will get 2. So that 2 we will multiply in 3. Now what we will get? 7 1 is 7 minus 3 2 is 6 upon 16. So our answer will be 7 minus 6, 1 upon 16. Answer. Third question, and it is five upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. What we will do is we will take LCM of both of these denominator. What we will get as LCM? We will get 15 as our LCM because both of these are prime number and we will multiply them. 5 3 is 15. Now we will divide 15 by 3. We will get, what we will get is 5. So we will multiply that 5 from this 5 because it is numerator. Plus now we will divide 15 by 5. What we will get? 5 3 is 15, 3, and we will divide that, multiply that 3 by this 3. So 5 5 is 25 plus 3 3 is 9 upon 15. Final answer will be 25 plus 9, 34 upon 15. That is our final answer. So our fourth part of third question is 7 upon 100 minus 9 upon 200. So what we will do to solve it? First of all, we have to make denominator same. How we will do that? We will take LCM of 100 and 200. The LCM of 100 and 200 is 200. Okay. Now we will divide 200 by 100. What we will get? 2. So we will multiply 7 by 2. Now minus in the place of minus. Now we will divide 200 by 200. We will get 1 and we will multiply 1 by 9. So 7 2 is 14 minus 9 1 is 9 upon 200. 14 minus 9 we will get 5 upon 200. 5 upon 200 we can further solve it. We can write it in lowest term. So how we will write in lowest term? We will find their SCF, then we will divide both of them by their SCF. So their SCF of 5 and 200 is 5. So we will divide 5 divided by 5 and 200 divided by 5. So 5 1 is 5 and 5 4 is 20 and 0. So our final answer will be 1 upon 40. 5 upon 200 is also a right answer, but we can further solve it. We can write it in lowest term. So 1 upon 40 is lowest term. Okay. So fourth question we have done. Now fifth. What is fifth question? 4 upon 49 minus 11 upon 63. 4 upon 49 minus 11 upon 63. So we have to find LCM of 49 and 63. So what is the LCM of 49 and 63? Let's find out here. Let's find out here. 49 and 63. First of all, we will divide by 3. 49, 21, 49, 7, 7, 1. 3 3 ja 9, 9 7 ja 63, 63 7 ja 441. So our LCM of 49 and 63 is 441. Now what we have to do is we have to divide 441 by 49. So what we will get? We will get 9. 7 7 is 49 and 3 3 is 9. So we will multiply 4 by 9 minus. Now we have to divide this 441 by 63. So what we will get? 3 3 is 9, 7 is 63. We will get 7. So we will multiply 11 by 7. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we will multiply 4 into 9, 36, minus 11 into 7, 77 upon 441. So when we will subtract both of them, we will get minus 41 upon 441. That is our answer. Moving on to sixth question. What is sixth question? Let's move it a little bit. Sixth question is 5 plus 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10. 5 plus 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10. Here we have three terms. Okay. So we will take LCM. First of all, this 5 is only 5. It doesn't have any denominator. So when any number doesn't have denominator, we can assume that 1 is their denominator. So now we have to take LCM of 1, 5 and 10. So their LCM will be 10. Now we will divide 10 by 1. What we will get? We will get 10 and we will multiply 5 by 10. So 5 multiplied by 10. Now the sign is plus, so we will put plus. Now we will divide 10 by 5. We will get 2. So 3 multiplied by 2. Now minus. We will divide 10 by 10. We will get 1. So 7 multiplied by 1. Now multiply all of them. 10 5 is 50 plus 3 2 is 6 minus 7 1 is 7 upon 10. 50 and 6, 56 minus 7 upon 10. 56 minus 7, 49 upon 10. Answer. Let's understand it again. We have 5 plus 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10. 5 was alone. It doesn't have any denominator. So we can assume that 1 is its denominator. Now we will find LCM of 1, 5 and 10. What is their LCM? 10. Now we will divide 10 by 1. So we will get 10. Then we will multiply 5 by 10. As a 10 divided by 5, we will get 2. So 3 multiply 2. Now 10 divided by 10, we will get 1. So 7 multiply 1. So 10 5 is 50. 3 2 is 6. 7 1 is 7. Plus in the place of plus and minus in the place of minus. We will add plus and plus, 50 and 6. 56 minus 7. 56 minus 7 is equal to 49. 49 upon 10 is our final answer. I hope you understand this exercise. We will meet in another exercise very soon.